Hello and welcome to this video. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you Minecraft gameplay on a Raspberry Pi, which is a really cool thing to play Minecraft on. It's really cheap, $35, and you can play Minecraft on it. Now the Minecraft that you can play on it is very old. It's an incredibly old version. I'll just bring it into your screen now. And there we go. It's a very old version of it, version 0.1.1 alpha, and as far as I know it's the only discontinued version of Minecraft, so they don't release updates for it anymore. It's dead. And because of that, as I said, there's some exclusive things just for this version that have been taken out, but it also means that there are a lot of other things that are bad. So I'll just show you now. As you may have noticed, there's only creative. There is no survival. So if you want to go and play survival and try and survive stuff, you cannot. It's just creative. And another thing is, if I just show you now, the actual size of the world is very small. I estimate you can see about 1/8 of the world in your view at any one time. So you see, there's the edge of the world, and if I go this way, I'll be able to see the other edge of the world very shortly. So just wait for this. And here we have another edge of the world, and if I go up here, guarantee it'll take less than a minute or so to find the other edge of the world. And I'm not going particularly fast, by the way. You'll see here, and I'm not exactly certain on the size of the world, so I'm not going to say. But it's very small, and here we have the other side. So it's a very small world, and I'm going to show you some of the things now that are exclusive to it. There is 3 things. The first one is down here. This is a thing for making stone swords, stone weapons, stone materials. Not materials, but like stone pickaxes and stuff. And it was taken out of Minecraft. Not quite sure why, but you'll only get this in the Raspberry Pi edition. You can't actually use it because it's only creative. But you could use it as a block if you wanted to. You could use it as you could put it in your kitchen, in your house, to show off that it's the only version of Minecraft with it. Another thing is the cyan flower. Here we go. Cyan flower. Here we have the cyan flower. Look how nice it is. Why did Mojang take that out? I think the cyan flower looks really nice. I think it's a great little thing to have for Minecraft to put in. And they took it out for some reason, but this is also one of the only things that you can. This is the only version of Minecraft with cyan flower in, so I didn't know how to get it out there. Yeah, this is the only version of Minecraft with cyan flower in, and it looks really nice. So yay, thumbs up for Raspberry Pi edition. And then the final thing, if I can quickly find it, there we go, is this. Now I think this is the Nether reactor. I didn't have Minecraft in its early days, I've only had it for about a year. But this is called a Nether reactor block. And I'm not sure why they took it out, but one thing I know is that you can't use it because it's creative, but it does look quite nice. I've just built a little wall for you there. Nice. I'm not quite sure what you could use it for, but if you match it with the cyan flower, they look quite nice together. They're both bluey. So yeah, it's another block that's just in the Raspberry Pi edition. I'm just going to have a little wander around now. Graphics aren't great in this. I think I'm going to build a little house, just to give you a bit of extra gameplay. Oh, it's gone full screen. I didn't really want it to do that. Here we go, I've got bricks. I'm going to build a brick house in the desert. I always prefer to play survival on Minecraft. I don't like creative as much. And I think that Mojang making Dead editions is not very good for them for multiple reasons, but mainly because when people buy the Raspberry Pi and see all Minecraft, they'll think like, oh yeah, I've got Minecraft, and then when we press on it, they'll see that it's an incredibly outdated one. And it just gives a bad image for them generally. However, there is other versions that I'm sure won't last that much longer. For example, Xbox 360 edition. It's an 11-year-old console. We can't keep it going for that much longer, can we? PS3. So there is going to be other Dead versions of Minecraft coming out shortly. However, at the moment, this is the only one. And you might be wondering why they got rid of it. Well, I think the main reason is on Raspberry Pi you can actually just get normal Minecraft. You don't have to play the Pi edition. So, when you think of it like that, it is a bit pointless. Because you can actually get Windows 10 on the Raspberry Pi, and there is a Raspberry Pi Windows 10 edition which is not dead. And I'm not sure whether Raspberry Pi will be able to run it smoothly or not. But hey ho, we'll see. It's worth checking online some of the minimum system requirements for it. Yay, we've got a little brick house. I'm going to put... What's that from there? Oh, sorry, that was me. Right, I'm going to put a door in it. Let's find a door. Put in a door. Let's open the door. Let's go inside. Oh, now let's put on some sort of roof. This is going to be a terrible house, by the way. Absolutely terrible. I just wanted to show you a bit of gameplay for it. I'm a bit of a newbie to Minecraft. Well, maybe a little bit. I don't play it that much. There we have a roof. Now let's give it a floor. I always like to have a wooden floor. Let's have a wooden slab. No, let's just have a wooden block. Let's go wild. Right, let's line up the floor. Sorry, I've never played this on a console before. So I'm not massively familiar with the controls on a keyboard and mouse. I've kind of picked them up a bit. Let's put in a little wooden floor. And just 2 seconds. And it's finished. Oh no, it's not. Now it's finished. My little cottage in the middle of the desert. Anyway, I can't be bothered to put anything else in. In fact, no, I've changed my mind, I can. Just very, very quickly. I have got enough time. Let's put in some of our blocks that we can't use anymore. So let's put in that. Let's also put in that. Don't know why, but let's go. Let's try and put in some things that we hadn't got before. We've still got furnaces, but it's nice to have a furnace. Let's have a crafting table. Let's have a bed. Which I don't think you can sleep in. Let's have some books. It's nice to have a bit of reading material. Let's have our bookshelf running along the top here. And there. Oh, and not forgetting a chest to keep your valuables in. Let's just shove that chest there. Oh, the chest looks weird. Oh, you can't have a double chest yet. Oh well. Can we even open the chest? Not by the looks of it. It's pocket edition, so it's bound to be quite bad. Right, here we go. Our little house in the desert. Anyway, let's go have a look around this world. Let's mine a tree. I'm only doing this just to give you a little bit of gameplay, to show you what it's like. And it's very much like normal Minecraft, the graphics aren't great. I think that the graphics from this compared to like the ones on the original Xbox a bit. That's what I read somewhere. Oh, there's a hill. Let's climb the hill. Right, for this I'm going to need a ladder. Can I make it? Right then. Oh, I'm so not used to these controls. Right, I will do this. I can promise you that. I'm just... Oh, I'm used to playing on console. Here we go. Right, made it this far. Come on. Oh, no. Right, I'll try it again. Yeah, I will make it up the hill. Yes. Right. Now up here. Yes. Okay. Didn't mean to put that there, but well, I'm getting a bit more used to this now. Let's do a bit of mining through this coal. Hate coal. Sure, that's a bit of a random thing to say. No, I don't hate coal, it's fine. Use it for cooking. Right, now where exactly am I going? Let me just go back around to the bottom a bit. Oh, I can still make it up the hill by doing this. Come on. Right, yeah. I'll probably reach the top shortly. Oh yay, I've made it. Right, we're at the top of the hill. That's good. Let's just place a little block to mark the fact that I've been here. Let's use this. One of the only things you can get on the Raspberry Pi edition. Oh, come on. Not used to playing on a keyboard. Anyway, that'll do. I've made a little block to signify that I have been here. Raspberry Pi edition. I've climbed the hill. And now for the parachute drop. I'm just going to keep on getting higher. Sorry about these two little circles. Nothing I can do about that. There we go. Just want to see if I can find a cave before we go. You're going to have to find a little cave to explore. Ooh, this is a dark and spooky area. But no cave. Oh, come on. I'm back where I climbed that hill. Oh well, it doesn't look like I'm going to find one. But this is Minecraft Raspberry Pi edition. In summary, there's 3 new blocks in it, but there's no survival, you can't name the worlds, and there's a lot of things that aren't included. If you just take a look here, all the things like spawn eggs, things like all the modern stuff that have just come out in updates, none of that. It is just the very, very basic retro Minecraft Pocket Edition stuff. I don't think there's even pickaxes yet. Anyway, Minecraft Pocket Edition for Raspberry Pi. It's very, very good, in summary. However, if you wanted... Well, it's Minecraft and I enjoy Minecraft, whether it's good or bad. However, if you do want to get the proper one, the one that's updated, you can actually download it for Linux. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you